Something is changing in how women view relationships today. It's not about love disappearing, but something far more practical. More women are choosing not to live with men anymore. When you listen to their reasons, it's not just one issue. It's a build-up of small daily frustrations that lead to one major decision. For many women, the first reason is peace. Women want full control of their own space. No negotiating arrangements, no sharing blankets or furniture. They want a place that feels completely theirs. Emotional peace is another key reason. Avoiding the dark cloud when a partner is angry or moody is important. Living with a man can feel like performance theater, never fully relaxed. Living alone gives freedom to simply exist. No TV blasting, no random noises, no explanations for odd habits. Even walking around naked or tired without feeling watched matters. Home becomes a true safe haven only when living alone for many women. Then there's the second shift, the invisible mental load of home tasks. Women often do most cooking, cleaning, organizing, and planning despite working full-time. Resentment builds when men act helpless with chores called weaponized incompetence. This leads women to give up and do tasks themselves. It shifts the relationship from equal partnership to household management. Everyday hygiene habits also cause irritation. Bathroom mess, toothpaste left open, hair in the sink, and bad smells. These small things add up and affect comfort and health. Control, money, and administrative life add to the imbalance. Women often pay a large share of bills and do most domestic work. This makes relationships feel financially and physically unequal. Living alone removes constant negotiation. No thermostat wars or arguments about decor and guests. Every decision becomes self-directed, creating deep peace and control. Autonomy and emotional safety matter greatly. No gaslighting, manipulation, or lectures inside your own home. Just mental quiet and freedom to be yourself. For some women, living alone is a process of rebuilding identity. They discover who they are without centering a man's needs. Women stop being half of a couple and become fully themselves. This shift changes the question women ask. No longer how to make cohabitation work, but whether cohabitation improves their life at all.